Hello, welcome back. Okay, we're working on this wicker weaver basket. Well, that's what it is now. It's a willow basket. Anyways, I'm right here. If it goes over, then it's gonna be wrong. You gotta go under, then you go over, you go under. Then you wanna go around the corner, and this is where you wanna go slow, really slow. Cause they crack, and you gotta start all over. I like starting over and over and over. Okay, and this is how we add another stick. Okay, I already peeled this one. It's going under and it's going over here. And I tucked this stick in there. And as you can see, I kept weaving and weaving and adding more ribs as I was going. So I've been making these baskets ever since I was about 16 years old. So I'm 38 now, 39. So I've been making them, over half my life. And I had to go up, pick my own willow. I had to learn on my own. I had to find someone to teach me how to do it. I had to do a lot of stuff to figure out how to, make this. I didn't even know what I was making. So now it's an AI basket anyway, and I gotta get it done. Now it's going over, under, over, and it's going back over. And if I want to switch this color, this will work. Get this one in there. I picked these ones right next to Westbrook store. You see me over there? You seen those cops cruising right by? I seen them too. They're always after me. Anyways, I'm on my basket and it's always a cool basket. I have my braces on and it's moving right along.